Let's upgrade your homemade mac and cheese with this roasted veggie mac and cheese recipe that's creamy, cheesy, delicious. Let's get started. Now I already have my oven preheating, and here I've lined a baking sheet with parchment paper. Veggies wise, this recipe is super flexible. So today I'm just gonna use some zucchinis that I'm gonna coarsely chop into half moons. And once they're chopped, I'm just gonna put them on my baking sheet. I also have some cherry tomatoes that I'm simply going to slice in half and place those next to the zucchinis on the baking sheet as well. Now I'm just drizzling some olive oil, sprinkle some Italian seasoning, and toss to coat them in the oven for about 20 minutes while I cook the pasta. In a large pot of boiling water, I'm gonna cook my pasta. You can use your favorite type of pasta here, but today I'm using penne because I love how the cheese sauce gets trapped inside. And once the pasta is ready, you just drain it or remove it from the boiling water and set it aside. In the same pot or a large skillet, you're gonna heat up some oil, and I'm gonna saute the garlic for about 30 seconds. And up next, we're adding our flour. We're gonna whisk this together. We just wanna toast and cook the flour for about a minute while you're whisking the whole time. Then we gradually add some milk, some red pepper flakes, stirring constantly until the mixture has thickened. This is our base for our cheesy sauce. Now I'm gonna turn off the heat and add 1.5 cups of shredded cheese and whisk to combine into the mixture. And once the sauce is ready, I'm gonna add the pasta to the pan. By the way, below this video, you're gonna find the ingredient measurements to this recipe, and you'll see that thumbs up button. Make sure to click it if you love comfort food recipes like this one. Oh, also the veggies are ready. Now all you gotta do is add them to the pan with the pasta and that cheesy sauce. Make sure to toss to combine really well until all the pasta and veggies are nicely covered. Now, you can serve this just like this, but we're gonna take this recipe to the next level in just 3 minutes by giving it a cheesy crust over the top. And to do that, I'm gonna transfer the pasta out of the oven-safe dish, sprinkle some cheese over the top, and put it under my broiler for about a minute until that cheese is melted and is now that golden color. Check it out. It's super cheesy, filling, and a step up from everyday mac and cheese. If you love comfort food recipes like this one, make sure to check out this next video. See you guys next time.